Jump sublimation ko is Nonoy. Number 20, Kenneth Tiner sending for Bibot Talingting. Bibot Talingting, a Pinoy step! Good for 2 points by Bibot Talingting. A Pinoy step, mga kaibigan. Ang angas ng tondo. Inaras itong Gerald Dagot. Number 10, JB Erpayuan. Bang! Right of Santa Monica. Dampot itong Bibot Talingting. Bibigay kay Erbuloy. Aldrin Dagot. Huli ka, boy! Hindi makakapayag yung JP Descalzo. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz. Nasuklian din. Nation ko is Tonoy BCB. Number 10, JB. Pinapagpag yung Bibot Talingting. Number 10, JB Erpayuan. Bang! Kuha ng JB. JB di diskarte. JB sending for Mark Sinesa. Import Gombi. Lotto number 26 with 4 minutes and 15. Number 14, Jack Policarpio. Gandang pasa kay Mark Sinesa. Number 14, Jack Policarpio. Alio Binepes. Good for Oya Rodriguez. Good for 2 points by EJ Rodriguez. 1 minute and 38. Kenneth Tiner, 2 points. Binetes, number 10, JB. Gandang pasa. Point! Kenneth Tiner, attacking inside. Floater by Kenneth, no good. Tapikan ng bola. Kuha ng batang Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Nice pass for Jack. Stolen for your team of white shirt. Justin Magbanwa ng Puerto Princesa. Lilipad. JB Payuan. Nag-set ng play, harassing by Justin. Papasewin yung depensa from the top of the table. Jumper! EJ Rodriguez ang tatawid ng bola. Bibigay kay JB. Pangatlo. Pabang! Boxers Matis dito sa kabilang banda. 2 minutes and 25. Kenneth Tiner! Kuha ng team ng Boxers Matis. Justin lilipad. Good for 2 points by Justin. 7:44. Kenneth Tiner. Not good putback. Good for 2 points by Kenneth Tiner. Number 10, JB Erpayuan. Bang! Number 26, sending for EJ Rodriguez, the son of legend. EJ finding JP Descalzo. What a good combination. For number 1, Ambulonto. Number 26, 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Good for 58-59, EJ Rodriguez. Napakalayo! Sending for Justin. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Justin Magbanwa. Nice footwork. We have only 3 seconds. Number 10, JB. And JP Descalzo. Basketball count at may kasama pang foul. Hindi man umuulan pero nagpapaulan ng 3-point for both teams. But Kenneth Tiner. With 8 minutes and 50 seconds, ikutan ng bola, Jared Trinidad from the 3-point territory. Jared Trinidad. Itong EJ Rodriguez, number 73 para sa grupo ng Jump Sublimation ko is Nonoy BCB. And called for a jump ball. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Another fast break. Number 8, Jared Trinidad for your team of Boxers. And number 20, Tiner.